Hi children, how are you? I hope you all are well. In the previous class, you have learnt how to write single digit and two digit numbers in the ascending and descending order. Now we are going to learn how to arrange the numbers, three digit numbers in ascending and descending order. You have got these numbers 225, 352, 561, 833, 417, 799. First, write the digit in the hundreds place value 2, 3, 5, 8, 7. Then arrange in ascending order 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. Now, in the same way, we write the numbers 225, 352, 561, 833, 417, 799 in the ascending order. The ascending order 225, 352, 417, 561, 799, 833. When the given number are to be written in the ascending order, start from the smaller number to the greater number. Write the same numbers in the descending order. 833, 799, 561, 417, 352, 225. When the given numbers are to be written in the descending order, start from the greatest number to be the smallest number. By writing the numbers on steps which you have written in the ascending and descending order. Let us we observe the another example. In 472, 477, 478, 475, 476, 473, arrange the ascending order. First of all, we observe the digits in the hundreds place. In the hundred place, all are same. Then observe that tens place. They are also same. Therefore, write the digits in the unit place in the ascending order. 2, 7, 8, 5, 6, 3, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now arrange in ascending order 472, 473, 475, 476, 477, 478. In the same way, write in descending order 478, 477, 476, 475, 473, 472. Let us see the another example. Some numbers are written on the pictures of the above animals. Compare these numbers on animals and first of all we observe the two-digit numbers 90, 99. 90 is smallest number. So first one 90 after 99. Now observe the three-digit numbers 999, 199, 900. Among these, 199 is smallest number after 900 and the greatest number is 999. Now we are going to arrange the ascending order. 90, 99, 199, 999. In the same way, we are going to arrange the descending order. Big number to small number. 999, 900, 199, 90, 990. Children, now we will see the another one example. Observe the following words. Arrange them in ascending order. Now we are going to write in ascending order. Which number should be written first? The smallest number should be written first. Which is the smallest weight among these? 500. Now, among the remaining weights, which is the smallest number? 1000. Now, the remaining weights are 5000 and 2000. Now, which is the smallest among these two? 2000. So, which is the remaining weight in the end? 5000. Starting from the smallest to the last left weight, all the weights are written in order. Children, now we will see the another one example, descending order. Observe the quantity of milk in each of the following vessels given. Now we are going to write these numbers in descending order. Which number is to be written first in descending order? Greatest number. Which is the greatest number among these? 6250. Among the remaining numbers, which is the greatest number? 5450. Now 4850 and 3500 are left. Out of these two, which is the greater? 4850. Which is left out? 3500. Starting from the greatest number, the numbers are written in an order. Observe 6250, 5450, 4850, 3500. Children, I hope you all are understood the ascending and descending order. Thank you.